Hi, Dunham Stewart again here from South Bay Brokers from a beautiful end of October day. We did touch on the declining inventory over the last 4 years, and I had some nice response from it, so I thought I'd share a little more information going back a little over 11 years. This is a chart, Manhattan Beach sales versus inventory, the red line being the inventory, the blue line being the sales. And what you have going back from April of '02 all the way up to September, you can see how the sales during the slowdown of kind of eked out in '06 through '09, and then since early '09 have picked up, but that range has been pretty consistent. And you see our inventory crunch here that we experienced, not unlike what we experienced in '04, although I would say the buyer pool of today is significantly more prepared to buy than the buyer pool of '04 that was using various lending options that certainly are not available today. We'll look at the next page here. This is Hermosa Beach, same story. You can see where those blue lines crossed a little bit in '04, meaning the sales were greater than the available inventory, meaning less than a month of inventory. They've recently met and equal numbers here in September of this year, and the trend over the last 4 years of a little bit more each month, but again in the same range. But again, you get a picture of a full 11 years of how our markets respond, and you can tell where the crisis hit here in the '07 to kind of 2010 neighborhood. Here's North Redondo Beach, which carries a lot more inventory in general, but you can see over the last almost year that blue line has been above the red line, and there's been less than a month of inventory. The balance for this North Redondo area is probably up here in this 125 range, and you can see it's been really, really low, the inventory in that North Redondo, which is often referred to as that entry price point into the beach cities. Anyway, I thought you'd find this interesting, looking back a little more perspective than the 4 years we went back on the last mention. So hope this is helpful as you look at the local real estate market. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Dunham Stewart, 310-200-5283, and thanks for checking it out.